Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will discuss looping in C programming such as for loop, while loop, do while loop, along with nested loops. Let's begin the lecture. Control structure in C by Pooja Limbola, Assistant Professor, R.C. Patel, Institute of Technology, Sripur. Contains first looping for statement, while statement, do while statement, second nested looping, nested for loop, nested while loop, nested do while loop. First is looping statement. What is a looping statement? Sometimes it is necessary for the program to execute the statement several times. A loop executes a block of commands a specified number of times until a condition is reached. C language provided three looping statements. First, for statement. Second, while statement. Third, do while statement. First, for statement. What is a for statement? The for statement is used to execute a single statement or block of statements repeatedly as long as given the condition is true. A for loop is repetition control structure that allow you to efficiently write a loop that needs to execute a specific number of times. Syntax for initialization, condition, modification, increment, decrement, block of statement. Flowchart, initialization, condition, condition check, condition is true, then loop statement, modification, increment, decrement, and the condition is false, then out of loop statement. Example program to display even number up to 10 has include studio.h, has include conio.h. This is the header file, void main function, int data type, and is a variable. Printf even number up to 10 for loop and initialization 0, condition and plus plus increment. Condition check. If condition is true, then printf double quote percentage %d and gauge and display output even number up to 10, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Second, while statement. What is the while statement? The while statement is used to execute a single statement or block of statements repeatedly as long as given condition is true. The while statement is also known as entry control looping statement. Syntax while condition block of statement. Condition condition is true, then block of statement, and condition is false, then out of loop statement. Example program to display even number up to 10. Sam has include studio.h and has include conio.h header file, void main function, and in the data type and is initialization 0 value. Printf even number up to 10 while condition and if condition is true then printf double quote percentage %t and increment and plus plus increment, which is display output even number up to 10, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Third, do while statement. What is a do while statement? The do while statement is used to execute a single statement or block of statements repeatedly as long as given the condition is true. The do while statement is also known as a exit control looping statement. Syntax: do block of statements, then while condition check. Flowchart: do block of statement, then condition check. Condition is true, then do block of statement, and condition is false, then out of loop statement. Example program: to display even number up to 10 has include studio.h, has include conio.h. This is the header file, environment main function in data type and initialization 0 value. Printf even number up to 10. Do if condition true, then printf the double quote to percentage t n is an increment, and then while condition is checked, and display output even number up to 10, 0, 2, 4, 6, and 10. Difference between while and do while loop. What is the difference between while and do while loop? While condition is checked first, then statement is executed. Do while statement is executed at least once, thereafter condition is checked. While it might occur statement is executed 0 time if condition is true. Do while at least once the statement is executed. While no semicolon at the end of the while statement, while condition. Do while semicolon at the end of the while condition. While if there is a single statement, bracket are not required. Do while bracket are always required. While variable in condition is initialized before the execution of loop. Variable may be initialized before or with the loop. While loop is a entry control loop, and do while loop is a exit control loop. While condition statement, do while do statement, then condition check. Third, nested looping, nested control structure. What is a nested looping and nested control structure? Nested loop means a loop statement inside another loop statement. There is no restriction for defining any number of loops. The nesting level can be defined at the n times. You can define any types of loops inside another loops. For example, you can define while loop inside a for loop. So it is also called as loop inside loop. Nested for loop. What is a nested for loop? Syntax. Nested for loop. For initialization condition inside increment decrement. For loop inside for loop called nested for loop. Flowchart. Initialization condition 1. Condition 1 is true, then increment decrement. And condition is false, then and for loop. Second condition is true, then increment decrement and statement. And condition is false, then and for. Example program: nested for loop. Header file has include.studio.h, independent main function in data type and ij variables. Printf enter the value of n. Scanf for loop inside for loop, and print display show I and j. Multiply I and j. Display output Show display output. Enter the value of n 3. 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, 3, 6, 9. Nested while loop. What is the nested while loop? Syntax nested while loop. While condition 1 statement A, statement inside a while condition 2 statement condition condition 1 true true, then condition 2 and condition 1 is false, then and while condition 2 is statement and condition is false, then and statement condition 2 is true, then statement. Example program nested while loop. What is a nested while loop? Has inside studio.h in main while inside a while condition called nested while loop. Output 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nested do while loop. Syntax. Nested do while loop. Do statement inside do statement while condition 1 statement while condition 2 statement condition 1 if condition is true then statement and condition is false and while condition 2 check if condition is true then statement and condition is false and while. Example program nested do while loop inside has include studio.h and main function do inside do while inside a while called we can call nested to while loop. Showing display. Thank you.